Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be doing an unboxing of the Fall 2020 FabFitFun box. So if that has any interest to you, go ahead and keep on watching. So guys, let's get ahead and open her up. So let's see what it looks like. So this is what we see when we first open the box, and as traditional, on top is the Fall FabFitFun magazine. So this will describe all the choice options that was available for Fall 2020. Then it also looks like we got a couple coupons for HelloFresh, and if anybody wants to get $15 off their FabFitFun, here is the code if anybody's interested. The magazine for fall just has all the choice options. So let's go ahead and take out my first item. So the first item that I picked was this SOIA and Kyo. I believe this is the woven scarfigan with fringe, and this retails for $85. Ooh, it's so soft. So this is, I believe it can be used as a scarf or a cardigan. Very, very pretty. Very nice two-toned with fringe on the side. I think this will be a great item for once it gets colder, but of course in California it is still quite hot outside. So that is the first item. The second item that I am pulling out of my box is the Harper and RE Exfoliating Sugar Cubes. That's what they look like. Let's see, and for these, so this was an option if you are a select member. If not, they chose this item randomly for you. So these little body scrubs, it looks like, retails for $16, and they're in the scent Juice Cleanse. So they're just exfoliating sugar scrubs. So that is the second item that was in my box. Now I'm going to pull out the Laundress Crease Release. Looks like a wrinkle remover. And this item, I believe, was one of the items that FabFitFun would choose for you. So this retails for $16, and it says easily remove moderate wrinkles from clothing and fabric with this spray, especially when ironing is not an option. So this is one of the options FabFitFun would have chose for you, and the other options were, let's see, I believe a kind of body wash, this pumpkin spice masks, yeah. So let's pull out the next item. The next item in my box is this Beauty Bakerie Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. So when looking at this palette, it is a very pretty neutral colors, especially for the fall. Definitely going to get a lot of use out of this for when fall comes around. And please let me know, guys, if you want me to do a tutorial using this palette. And this palette, it looks like, so this palette retails for $38. Very cute packaging. And let's pull out the next item that I received in my box. That looks like the Feel Renewed Pumpkin Walnut Facial Cleanser. And this says this retails for $28, and it is a pumpkin infused the skin with AHAs, zinc, and vitamin A's and C, and walnut powder gently exfoliates to reveal a refreshing glow. And again, this retails for $28. The next item that I received is the Beauty Crop Glow Milk, and I believe this is the Beauty Crop Glow Milk and Blind Date. This enriches with coconut and highlighter, gives you a lit from within glow, and this retails for $19.50. The next item that I received in my box is the Hythe Tranquil Sleep Mist. And this says, formulated with witch hazel, lavender oil, and rice water, the mist creates a tranquil sleep environment. And this retails for $22. And the last and final item, I decided to choose the backpack for my choice. And I believe this backpack retails for this backpack retails for $100. It's just a very cute, small, just backpack. This is probably perfect for traveling or even just going to school. It's has really cute straps on it. This is a really cute bag. The description says it is the Botkier New York Trigger Backpack. This multifunctional backpack holds all the essentials in style. And this backpack retails for $100. So that's wrap up what I got in my FabFitFun for fall 2020. So I got the backpack. I got the scarf again. I got the Hythe Tranquil Sleep Mist. I got the Feel Renewed Walnut Pumpkin Cleanser. I got the Harper and Alley Juice Cleanse Exfoliating Sugar Cubes. I got the Laundress Crease Release Spray. The Glow Milk Beauty Crop Highlighter. The Proof is in the Puddin palette. And those were all my items that I received for fall of 2020. Hi guys, next I will be sharing with you the add-ons that I got for my box. So I added on the Huangjisoo, the Peeling Radiant Pads, and I added these on for $9. It is just skincare exfoliant pads. The next add-on was the R+Co Death Valley Dry Shampoo, and I got this for $9. The next item was the Chella Heated Eyelash Curler, and this was $7. The next item was the Milk Makeup, $12 I paid, and these are just a set of, I believe, 5 cooling eye gels. Then I added on the Myro Starter Pack blush with the Pillow Top deodorant. And then I also decided in my box to add on the Multivitamin mask. This is a set of 5. This was also an option you could have chose or received in your FabFitFun. So thank you guys for watching. I just wanted to show a quick video of what I received in my fall FabFitFun, and I will be coming soon with a tutorial using this eyeshadow palette. And please let me know what you would like to see next on my channel. Please like and subscribe and have a great weekend. Thanks guys. Bye.